The woke wild wolf parent knows that they must teach their cubs the deeper reason for things and instruct them by demonstration in the natural laws. In order for us to break through to the intelligence of our children, to make sure that they're understanding in a sort of an academic way why we're doing what we're doing, we teach them the natural laws. We help them understand why things work and why they don't work, not just as a random outcome, but actually applying the natural laws. If you help your children trace back a situation they had, that would, the situation, the outcome of the situation would be the effect. Help them trace back to find out why that effect was what it was, because it mirrored the cause. It's really important for children to understand the intellectually why things happen the way they do, why outcomes occur, why frequencies have impacts on our cells. It's really important to teach our kids the meaning of the reasons for these things. I'll often call out to my son, take that cell phone out of your front pocket, you're irradiating your testicles. Okay, but so why? Why is that the case? He doesn't like to sit and listen for too long to me explain it, but I'm going to make an attempt to explain it nevertheless, and at some point some aspect will sink in. We really have to help them understand the reasons behind things, and the woke wild wolf parent knows this and does it, and the wild wolf in their way, the wild wolf parent in the wild will do this in their way too. There's rationale, there's reasoning.